words. Let's not talk about Teacher May or Ate Dina again. Let's talk about the issue of Mark Cruz instead of them. Mark Domingo Quazon Cruz. Anyway, thank you, Teacher May Tiburcio, for witnessing in threads in Instagram. Thank you for the information about Mark Cruz. Mark Domingo Cruz, she already told to Ronald Ribena that you're saying foul languages in threads in Instagram. Just I'm telling ya because you're saying bad words. Oh, for me, I don't want to say bad words in Instagram or even in threads. Mark Cruz, you should make public apology to me. Look at me, oh. I apologize, Teacher May. I apologize, Ate Dina. Oh, for me, Mark Cruz, if you want to sign a deal, if we want to sign a peace agreement, at least Christian Megito is watching. Um, don't do that again. Like me, when my mom scolded me or what I did to Teacher May, I'm the one who make fake account. I said, oh, I'm making a trolls or cyberbullying. This is my fault. Oh, look at Cedric. Oh, I remember he already stopped making fake account. He stopped creating trolls. Oh, at least he stopped it. Oh, for me, for Cedric Mariano, he already changed himself. He always changed to be good. Cedric never say bad words. Oh, even Danmar. Like for us, like you, Mark Cruz, if you're watching this, if you were in San Pedro, Laguna, don't say bad words. You know that. For me, when I say bad words at Prince Gun, when Teacher May scolded me, and I said before, I am the one who criticized Prince Gun, and I said, oh, this is my fault. I say PI in Tagalog words. I live just like Baham Hernando. Oh, this is all my fault, and I'm a bully. When I remember Clarence Barredo said to me, when Baham bully Clarence, he says bad words. Oh, Baham, he never say bad words. Oh, this is hard to say, Mark Domingo Cruz. If you're watching this in my videos anyway, do not say bad words. For me, when I say bad words, do not say bad words. Oh, me, what I did to Ate Dina, I attack her. I'm the one whose responsibility. Oh, Ate Dina once gave me a Andox chicken. I remember. I just want to say to you, Mark Cruz, don't do that again. Do not curse Ryan Chris Lucero. Remember, when I talked by Teacher Ruti Barrientos or Denzel Joshua, they told me, do not say bad words in Facebook or Messenger or Threads or Instagram. Do not say that. For me, I just want to say to you, Mark Domingo Quazon Cruz, let's move on about Teacher Alexander Pagkalinawan. Let's talk about his attitude. Mark Cruz, whenever you say bad words, do not say bad words. For me, for example, I just pray for Teacher May that she want to be recovered from the hospital. She has a colon cancer. Oh, do you want your mom to get colon cancer just like her? Because if your attitude, your stress over at Ryan Chris Lucero, if you say a bad word, Mark Cruz, if I telling you there is no chance could you say that you should never say bad words. For me, Mark Cruz, Eskel Penumbra saw my TikTok post. That he says me bad words in threads. Because, Eskel Penumbra, thanks to him, thanks Eskel Penumbra for reprimanding Mark Cruz, the husband of Teacher Kel. You are a great friend. At least you are my true ally. Because I have lots of ally, Mark Cruz, J. Rick Silva, Eskel Penumbra, Tito Mac. I have lots of ally, Juan Carlo Pabali and Ryan Cruz Lucero. I got my all allies. But you, Mark Cruz, your ally anyway is Carl Vilus. And you're forcing Christian Mengito to be his own ally. And I will never forget Mark Cruz for saying me a bad words in the comment in the post in Facebook. That I was in interview in Hans Inclusion Philippines. I was invited by Roy Lan. I was invited by Danmar, Cedric, Paul Matthew. Who's it? Matthew C, my friend. My good friend. Carlos Kanakashi. And even Carlos Kanakashi, that was a friend of Teacher Ruti Barrientos. I know him. And also who else I remember? Who else? Carlos Kanakashi. Yes, Carlos Kanakashi, I remember. There was Ronald Rebena. There was Asher Santos. There are all lots of my friends there. They were invited by Roylan. And then you comment me that you call me a Hezbollah. You call me terrorist. What is wrong with you, Mark Cruz? That I support Iran. What is wrong with you that I support Palestine because of geopolitics? That's why J. Rick Silva says to me, hindi mo kasi alam ang geopolitical. This is what your reason was. You are saying me bad words over in the first place. Joyce Patrick Opesha, if you listen to me, my friend, wag mo kasi kaibiganin yung kupal na yan. Like, what he's saying about bad words, he says me a bad words at me, that name Mark Domingo Cruz. He calls me an asshole, he calls me fuck you, he calls me motherfucker. I'm never supposed to say that. That man has no raised his parents. He's really just like me. Unlike compare like David Gill and me, we are same attitude. Kaugali lang kami ni David. That the time. Unlike you, Mark Cruz, when I was told by David Gill, if you love Jesus, don't attack your own. Do not criticize your do not say bad words. Do not say about you criticizing Juan Carlo Pabale and Ryan Chris Lucero. If they don't really like you, then just leave them alone. That's better. I just leave Teacher May Tiburcio alone because she has a colon cancer. She's in the hospital. in the first place. She's in the hospital. But like you, Mark Cruz, when you say me a bad word, you're influenced to the violent thing. And you're playing Initial D. And you're forcing me to the, what is it, racing. You compare yourself to Takumi Fujiwara. Me, I'm Takeshi Nagasato, the Miyogi Night Kids. Is this what this man has learned what he's talking about? You know, Mark Cruz, as I'm a former member of Fans Inclusion Philippines, with Roylan Marlang, Roylan said to me, he said to me in Tagalog, but he said before, wag ka na kasi magmura. That's the word you say. Like me, that time, I tell to Roylan and Danmar, nagsumbong ako kay Danmar at kay Roylan dahil kay Mark Cruz, nagmumura, You do not say bad words, Mark Cruz. Look at Roylan Marlang. Look at Danmar Dayaw. They never say bad words. They imitate Jerick Silva and Bam Hernando's attitude. They never say bad words. For me, Mark Cruz, look at those people when you use social media, do not say bad word. Me, I never say about you remember that Paulo Cruzada, he says me a PI, the Tagalog word putang ina, the word. He was scolded by his parents thanks to Teacher May. I know, unlike you, Mark Cruz, do not say bad word. Like I said, if you call me Nazi German, I will tell that to Nanay Ningning. And I will talk to Nanay Ningning. Nanay Ningning! Anna Kirchberg, Tita Ning. Like I said, this Mark Cruz calls me a Nazi German. And Nanay Ningning will condemn you. Do not say that in my place in Germany. Mark Cruz. You call me Nazi German. You call me Hitler. And you call me Hitler that I am also anti-Israel, that I am anti-Semitic, that I support for Iran and Palestine, I support Yemen, I support Iraq. What's wrong with you, Mark Cruz? I support the Hezbollah. What's wrong with you? Mark Cruz, don't say bad words. If I tell to Manuel Luis Antonio, please check monitor. What does Marky Boom Boom 814 is saying bad words? Manuel Luis Antonio will monitor. For me, Mark Cruz, here's the one thing I could say. Do not say bad words. I always pray for Teacher May in Quran, in Allah. I told to my Malaysian friends and Palestinian friends and Indonesian friends in TikTok Live, pray for Teacher May that she has colon cancer. She is very sick. But because I know my mom and dad said to me, may sakit pala to si Teacher May. I didn't realize. Because I thought I was wrong. She was healthy. I didn't realize she is in the hospital. May sakit po. Like I said, as I'm a content creator, like what I remember in my YouTube vlog, Mark Cruz, if you don't want to listen to your mother, If your mother got colon cancer, oh, I don't want to be happen to Teacher May. I don't want to be happen to Chadwick Boseman, no. That was the actor in uh, the Wakanda, the Avengers, oh. And even Nanay Baby as well, even former President Cory Aquino, even Eduardo, I mean Erano Manalo, oh, who died in colon cancer. If I were you, Mark Cruz, have mercy to your mother. I mean, this is my consequence, what I did to Teacher May. I know this is my fault too. Kasalanan ko talaga yun. And I know this is my consequence. And I will never do that again. The one thing I could say, Mark Cruz, I say to you in my YouTube blog, in my videos, anyway, do not say bad words at even me, even J-Rick, even Ryan Chris Lucero, even at everyone is repeating many times about bad words. I mean, when I say a threat, the Iranian missiles will strike Israel. I was defending the Iran for causing the troublemaker of Israelis. They want to kill all Palestinians and detain all Palestinians. Because Mark Cruz, if I want to tell you something about from Kuya Bear, that Jesus is a Palestinian, Mark Cruz. Di mo kasi naintindihan, like what you are not understanding, that Jesus is a Palestinian. I'm telling you, Jesus is a Palestinian. Have you never heard that I talk with Miggy Labitag, my nephew? I will tell to Miggy, I say to you, if you're watching this on my YouTube, Jesus is a Palestinian. If I want to tell to Buddy Castro and Kuya Jay, Nanay Net, and Ate Isa, and Ate Hana, Jesus is a Palestinian. If I want to tell everyone in ASP, if I want to tell Lorraine Shook and Carousel Production of Miss Earth that Jesus is a Palestinian, would I tell that to all teachers there in my old school in CDIFI that Jesus is a Palestinian? Would I tell in my old school in Caloocan Evangelical School that Jesus is a Palestinian and is not Israeli? Mark Cruz, you are wrong. You're the one who create Parora. And you calling me I'm Makarov? How dare him? For me, Mark Cruz, don't do that again to Juan Carlo Pabale and Ryan Chris Lucero. I mean, for me, Mark Cruz, when I watch movies of Expandables, when I play Call of Duty Modern Warfare, when I watch Expandables 4 of Sylvester Stallone, do they say bad words? No. I never say bad words, either Sylvester Stallone, for example, like Coco Martin, when you watch Batang Quiapo, did Coco Martin say bad words? Little bit, but he'd never imitate those children. Unlike you, Mark Cruz, learn how to be understand to your parents. Like me, as I'm a blogger, I mean, when I scolded by my mom for what I did to Teacher May, kasalanan ko talaga dahil hinaras ko din siya, like I said. Inaway ko rin yan because ayoko kasi mat-stress dahil sa colon cancer niya, like what's the important is. Mark Cruz, I say to you, don't let people get stressed to everyone. Don't let Juan Carlo Pabale and Ryan Cristosero to stress anybody. And even those Marcos loyalists who were fake Filipinos, like for example, Sangkay Janjan, who bullied my content creator follower, Banateros, and even Banat Bay. You know what, Sangkay Janjan? You're just like Kuya Kopio. Respect other opinion. Alam mo yan, Sangkay Janjan. I know you're a blogger too. You're the one who did it to Mrs. Annie Gill, to force Cedric Mariano to create lots of troll. Just like I said before, Sangkay Janjan, wag mo kasi stress ng ibang tao, like I said. Even Maharlika, even the diehard Duterte vloggers, wag mo kasi i-stress. Like, you know, if you stress those people are, even Maharlika, even Lorraine Badoy is very stressed. And you're talking about political motivation over with Bongbong Marcos. And stop about being yourself Marcos loyalist. For example, Teacher May Tiburcio is not pro Marcos, she's neutral. Neutral, she's Duterte supporter. If she's Duterte supporter, neutral. I'm Duterte supporter, I always stay neutral. Like Kawali Cronel said, sabi sa akin ni Kawali, neutral tayo. Wag tayo magpili ng kung ano-ano, like what's the color was. You know, this is a lesson to both of you, Sangkay Janjan and Mark Domingo Cruz. Don't be such manipulative. Everyone have their own opinion. Like Kuya Bear said to me, like for example, pro-Palestine, pro-Israel, pro-Iran, or like in the Philippines, we have the political color like pro-Duterte, pro-Marcos, or anti-Marcos, or anti-Duterte. They have their own political color. Even red, pink, yellow, we have their own color. Like we have green also. I like color green because it's Duterte. We have green. We do not hesitated about harassment. As I'm a Duterte supporter. Anyway, Sangkay Janjan, if I wanted to tell you, don't be such abusive. Even you, Mark Cruz. This is why for everyone, this is why Cedric Mariano had blocked Sangkay Janjan in Facebook. That is wrong what he's doing. He didn't know about the true color was. I was told by Jeric Silva. What about Mark Cruz? He was being blocked by Ryan Cristosero and also Juan Carlo Pabale, my former enemy and my ally. Juan Carlo Pabale was right. I don't want to get caught in trouble because you getting me lots of trouble. Here's the one thing, Mark Cruz and Sangkay Janjan, respect their own opinion. I always criticize of that. Here's my accusations against Mark Cruz and Sangkay Janjan. Both of you, respect opinion. Respect. Like me, for what I did to Teacher Kel, when I harassed her anyway, the true color was she's endorsing Lenny Robredo, and I'm the one who endorsed Bangag, I know this is my fault that I am the one who endorsed Bangag. But for me, I told to Teacher Kel, Teacher Kel, I say so, I just want to apologize to you what really happened at this time when you're in the US, that our former president Rodrigo Duterte, who was arrested, and he was brought in the Hague in the Netherlands, and he was detained by ICC. Oh, and what really happened is, because of his crimes against humanity. Oh, and this is my fault for what I did to Teacher Kel. I say to Teacher Kel, Teacher Kel, I apologize to you. I should never endorse Bongbong Marcos. He's really bangag. Oh, I apologize, Teacher Ruti Barrientos, that I'm the one who endorsed Bongbong Marcos, that bangag. She's the one who endorsed Lenny Robredo. And Teacher Ruti Barrientos says to me, don't do that again. Don't endorse bangag anyway. Don't endorse Bongbong Marcos. Because he's really bangag. And that's why for me, let's respect opinion. Even Marcos, even the geopolitical, like for example, what happened to Ali Khamenei, that he was killed in the U.S. Airstrike, in Israeli airstrike. I am just gonna say to Mark Cruz, respect my opinion that I support Iran. If you love Israel, if you love United States, like Carl Bilus, would you ever threatening those people in Iran to cause of war? Will you realize that oil price hike, it's gasoline, 5.3 million pesos liter of gasoline? Let's say again, Mark Cruz, that Iran has axis of resistance like Hezbollah and Hamas, and either Houthis and Popular Front of Liberation of Palestine, and also the Iraqi pro-Iran militias like Kataib Hezbollah or Popular Mobilization Forces, which are supported by Iran. They have their own alliances and coalition. But Israel, like I say again, Mark Cruz, how many Palestinians have been killed? Tell me. In Gaza. Let I say again, Lebanon, how many people are killed in Lebanon? There was an Israeli airstrike that which killed the civilian, including Hassan Nasrallah. What about in Iran? How many people are dead or killed by Israeli airstrike? Tell me. Do you really think that you call me Makarov? Just go, Mark Cruz, like I said before, when I make my content creator blog, you should never talk about that mentioning Ali Khamenei. If the Filipino Shia Muslims were Bangsamoro, when I was told by Jerick Silva, mabugbog ka pa, Mark Cruz. And even you're mentioning Rene Bartebonia and Divine Adili, those Ateneo 2 basketball player who were drowned in Aurora. And you threatening me to drown me in a drop-off? How dare him? Oh, at least Mark Cruz, you're not being scolded by your parents. And look at Paulo Cruzada, he was scolded by his parents. Me, I was scolded my own parents for what I did to Teacher May. Oh, you know, Mark Cruz, you're not being scolded by your own parents. Hindi ka kasi pinalaki, like I said. Kulang ka kasi sa pinalaki sa'yo, like I said. You know, your mother did not raise you up. Kulang ka kasi sa pinalaki mo, like I said. You know, you are really a bully. Let's say again, Mark Cruz, what is cyberbullying? Oh, let's test the cyberbullying psychological test. Who's the true cyberbullying? Mark Cruz. And even Sangkay Janjan, the vlogger.